Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on groups, sequences and functions. As you can see, our today's question is a multiple choice question with one or more than one correct answer. In this question, we are given that 3 digits have been removed from each of the following numbers, and we are given that n is equal to 25 and asked to find which of the 5 options given below could possibly represent 3 into 2 to the power n minus 1. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I'm here to help you out. Before we proceed to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 5, that is 50 into with the last digit as 48, last 2 digits. Now let us see how we arrive at this particular answer. So it is given to us that 3 digits have been removed from each of the options given below and n is equal to 25, and we are asked to find which of the numbers given below could possibly represent 3 into 2 to the power n minus 1 or 3 into 2 to the power 24. Now let us substitute n equals to 1. In that case, this number takes the form of 3. Okay, let us call this x. So x will become 3. Now, when n is equal to 2, we see that x is equal to 6. Similarly, when n is equal to 3, we see that x is equal to 12. Okay, so when n is equal to 4, you'll observe x is equal to 24. That is with an unit digit 4. Okay, and when n is equal to 5, x is equal to 48. Also, when n is equal to 6, you will observe x takes a value of 96. Okay, again when n is equal to 7, you will observe x takes a value of 192, that is 2. Hence you see that from the second number, that is when n is equal to 2, the unit digits repeat itself after every 4 number, that is between 6, 2, 4 and 8. Okay, so after every 4th power beginning with 2, n equals to 2, this gets repeated. So for n is equal to 25, this will be the same as n equals to 25 can be represented as 4 into 6 plus 1, which will be the same as the 5th power, that is when n equals to 5. Okay, because that can be represented as 4 lambda plus 1 again. So the unit digit for this number when n equals to 25, this number will end with an 8. Thus, we see from the 5 options given below that only option 5 matches with the given pattern, and hence option 5 is correct. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.